The first ever Din Tai Fung in Cebu is now officially open and we're here to give it a try. Hey mga kachibugan, the wait is finally over. Din Tai Fung Cebu is now open at the upper ground floor of SM City Cebu. This branch is super big and you can also see here how they make the world's famous xiaolongbao. While waiting sa among order, the staff guided us on how to make the xiaolongbao sauce and the best way to enjoy it. We got the chili crab and shrimp xiaolongbao together with other Din Tai Fung products and lami jud kay ni kaunon guys nga init pa jud. The broth was spicy and as for the xiaolongbao, as expected, it was good. We also got the pork chop fried rice, good for 2 depende sa imong appetite. I love the rice but medyo natabangan ako sa pork chop ani guys. Other items pa that we ordered are the spicy mushroom wontons and their dry noodles with spicy wontons. Legit halang kay giubod jud ko ani. I also love their fried noodles with beef, super tasty jud siya, plus their 3-cup chicken and their shrimp and chicken spring rolls. Na-enjoy po na ko ang ilang string beans, love the crunch and light na po ang iyang flavor. And for desserts, we tried the famous chocolate lava xiaolongbao and we paired it with their rock salt and cheese. Ning-try po mi silang mango sago with pomelo that tasted new to me. And for drinks, I got their black milk tea and lamian sad kay ko ani guys. Here's the menu for your reference and if you're around SM City Cebu, check out Din Tai Fung soon and sa sunod Chibuga na pod.